Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, now I am going to start Microsoft Excel from very first lecture, that is basically Excel for the beginners and Excel for the advanced users. But from scratch we will start this lecture. Basically Excel sheet and Excel's also sheet is also known as the spreadsheet and worksheet and workbook also. There are the different terminology that we use here. Basically Excel work in or which type of work we can do in Excel, that is any work, any task which is relevant to columns and rows, that we do here, and also relevant to calculations, sum, if, average, if conditions and other multiple formulas we can apply here. So first of all, in this lecture we will give you the introduction about the Excel environment. In Excel environment you can know about the sheet, about different analysis, and about different columns and rows and heading and relevant to their options. There are basically on top there is a ribbon. We can show and hide the ribbon with control F1. Control F1 press to show the ribbon and control F1 to hide the ribbon. There is also a little icon, you can also click here, just click to hide, just click to show. And this box that is moving here, it is known as the pointer. It is known as the pointer, and every box is known as the cell, and this is basically cell pointer. Okay, the cell pointer is moving with the arrow keys. This is your mouse pointer, and this A, B, C, D are known as the columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 these are the rows. Here is the sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3. Basically every sheet has same columns and same rows. We can zoom in with this area. This is zoom out, this is zoom in. Just click on the plus. We can also do with the control menu. Just click, hold your finger on the control button and move the scroll from the mouse. It's zoom out, it's zoom in. Okay, now we are sitting at this cell pointer, and this cell pointer location is C4. First we call the column, and on second row C4, where it shows in this area. This is known as the cell address C4. If we click here, it's a B2, here F7, and here B7. We can directly go to a specific cell. Just click on here and just type B30 and press enter. It will move on B30. Okay, every cell has its own address that will show in this address bar, this formula bar. First of all, before working in Excel environment, we should to know about the environment. This is basically ribbon that I already told you that it will hide and show with control F1. And first of all, we should go towards view tab. In view tab we have 3 check boxes. Formula bar, with the help of formula bar we will hide and show this bar, formula bar. In formula bar you can also will view here the formula that we will type in the cells, and there is a cell address. Just hide the formula bar, and there is a headings. Headings mean A, B, C, D column name, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows name. This is hide. Grid lines are the invisible, a little viewable lines in this sheet. Just click here, these also will hide. In this environment you will be confused that it's not an Excel, but you should to keep in mind that first of all you should check in view tab that your 3 check boxes should be on in show box: grid lines, headings, and formula bar. Now you are ready to work in Excel environment. First of all, I want to tell you that how many columns we have: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and then we are at Z. Again, the pair of A, B, A, C, D will start, and it will move so on. Okay, and on the if you move towards the downwards, there are uncountable rows, but there is a limit also here. I will told you. If you want to move at the beginning of the cell, just press control home. Just press control home. It will move at A1 position. and A1 is your home position. If you want to move at the end of the column, just press here control right arrow key, right arrow key. Control left arrow key to move at the end of the document and the end of the column. If you click control left arrow key, that will move at first column of the sheet. If you will press up arrow key with control, then move at the first row. If you will press down arrow key with control, then it will move at the end of the row. Okay, just let's try. Press control right arrow key, control right arrow key. It will move at the end of the column, XFD. It's something about 16, more than 16,000 columns are in this Excel sheet. Just press on control left arrow key, it will move on the first column. Just press control down arrow key, it will move at the last row of the sheet, that is 10,48,576. We have 10,48,576 rows in this sheet. Okay, just press again control home, it will move at the beginning of the document, that is A1 position. So students, just here introduction about the environment. Now I am going to move towards the sheet. Here is sheet 5, sheet 3, sheet 2, sheet 1. We can also change the names of the sheet. Just double click here to type here accounts. Just double click here. It will give you another sheet. You can type here sales. Just click for the new sheet. Double click. Quality. Just double click. Engineering. Okay, we can also change the colors. All the sheets has same columns and same row. Just right click here, tab color red, right click tab color purple, right click tab color yellow, right click tab color blue. Okay, now you have different colors of icons of sheet headings, sheet tabs, as per the department wise, class wise, or topic wise. You can do there. So students, this was the introduction environment about the Excel in the sheet. So let's move on the home tab. On home tab, we should to start with the very beginning command, that is bold, italic, underline, copy paste. These are very familiar commands that you already maybe know. Otherwise, I will try to repeat it one by one, just for the basic purpose of this Excel sheet, Excel spreadsheet and Excel book, Excel workbook. That is basically to do any type of work which is relevant to columns and rows. For example, we type here Lahore, Karachi, Multan, Islamabad. You know, Islamabad is out of the cell range, out of the column range. It's out of the line. So just move your mouse at the top of the heading B, between B and C. Just press and move towards right side. The column width will increase. Another, come back with the undo command. Another way is format column width. It's 8.43. You type here 10. It will also increase with the help of this area. If you want to type anything in double row in the same cell, this is the cell, Pakistan or salary, just press alt enter, alt enter, salary sheet. Now you have two rows in a single cell. Again type here total, alt enter, total marks. Just select the cells, alignment, center horizontally and center vertically. Okay, select this, it's a bold. Select this, it's italic. Select this, it's underline. Again you can apply the all three commands on a single word. Select here bold, italic, underline. You can also do this with the hotkeys, that is Control B for bold, Control I for italic, Control U for underline. Okay, we can do this with the help of hotkeys also. Just hold your pointer here. You can increase the font size from here and decrease the font size. You can also increase the font size with these values. It's a font style that you want to choose. Anything else? The normal fonts that you use in the official environment, that is basically Arial, AGCG Times, Times New Roman, Century Gothic, Calibri. I think these are the normal fonts that we use in official environments, and these are readables easily. If you want to apply background color, just click here. This is basically background color, whatever you like. This is basically font color that you want to choose. Font colors. Okay. If you want to apply a box here, just select lines, all borders. Now you have the lines. For your kind information, you are these lines where we already have never applied the table. These lines are just visible here, but these are non-printable lines. But these are the printable lines. We have applied the table from here. Okay. So if you want to get the print of the lines, then we have to apply formulas, or sorry, table from here, all the borders. If you want to remove, no borders, just click, the lines will be invisible. Okay. Okay students, it was our first lecture about the introduction. In next lecture I will give you the further about the another other commands of this tab. Okay, just thank you very much for watching me. Otherwise videos will be too much lengthy. You should do it in breakups. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.